Hey guys, and welcome back to Trading at Home. This is a trade that I took on the 6th of January. It was a very quick trade. I was practically in and out in about 30 minutes to an hour. Most of my trades are not like this, so it was quite surprising. And you can see right there, that was my entry candle. I practically got in at around 156.776. My stop loss was at 156.889. And my entry candle was a very strong bearish candle. It came up, it tested a level of practically minor resistance, I would say, and it came down, and that's where I entered. So shortly after, you can see that price hit my 2R level, which means I can move my stops to 1R. That's just how I do my risk management. I love trailing my stops because it allows me to catch bigger moves in the market and take advantage of much bigger trends. Then what you see here is that price almost 5 minutes later hit my 3R level, which again means I can move my stops down to 2R. Again, this is me simply trading my stops and ensuring that I'm locking in profits. Then as you can see in this clip, price hit my 4R level, which again means that I can move my stops down to my 3R level. So what that simply means is that at this point, I've locked in 3% for this trade. And again here, almost immediately, price comes down and hits my 5R level, which means that I can move my stops to 4R. One thing people don't get about trading is that it's really about how you manage a trade. Entry and exits are probably the easiest part of trading. It's figuring out what your risk management plan is. And then again here, just a few minutes later, price hits my 6R level. So that's 6%, which means I can now lock in 5%. So this was a very quick trade, a very big trade. Price practically tanked almost immediately, and I managed to make about 5% off this trade. So after price hit my 6R level and I managed to move my stops to 5R, price practically touched that 6R level before knocking me out for 5R and then shooting upwards. So I literally got out just before price reversed. So from this trade, I managed to make $34.17, which is pretty impressive for that account size. A very quick 5R trade, only risking 1% of my account size. So thank you guys for watching Trading at Home, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.